Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Vechain price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to hold within the minimum retracement areas in the formation of this wave 2, highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.02662 mark before we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And once the low for this second wave is in, there are high chances that we are going to see that massive run up to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis, to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my breakdown targets here on the Vechain chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And this minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, I was able to come up with it by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. And that gave me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that we have fully maximized. And there are high chances that we have now put in place the low for this second wave. And I believe that Vechain is now ready for that massive pump to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And assuming that Vechain is not going to give us one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2, we can sketch out a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then drag the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a minimum target area in that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0326 mark. And in case we continue seeing higher prices and a bullish momentum over here, there are high chances of fully maximizing that minimum target area. But in case the breakdown continues here on the Vechain chart, I'm still expecting this blue target area to continue acting as support for us to still say that we are still in the formation of this wave 2, and we still have the chances of seeing that massive run up in that wave 3. But in case the breakdown continues and we are able to break out of this blue target area to the lower side and continue seeing further breakdown, then that would be suggesting an even more bearish scenario here on the Vechain chart. And to give you what I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios here on the Vechain chart, you can see that I have these Elliot structures in red, where you can see that we have now peaked in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1 in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.03283 mark. And having seen the high for that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that bottomed out within this blue target area right here. And having seen the low for this second wave, I'm now expecting the start of this massive run up to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And because of its impulsive nature, that's the reason as to why you can see I have this micro Elliot wave count in white, which has just given me the short-term scenarios where I'm expecting the wave 5 of the micro Elliot wave count to give us the high for this larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios. And in case we lose our blue target area down here in the formation of this wave 2, then that would suggest that we are going to see a reset of these larger Elliot wave count 2 that I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios within this blue target area. And in case such a move plays out, then that would suggest that there are high chances of even seeing a breakout out of this blue target area and even unlock an even more bearish scenario here on the Vechain chart. So let's continue watching this blue target area, and let's hope that it's going to continue acting as support. And once it continues to act as support, there are high chances of seeing the breakout to the upper side, see a break above these swing highs, and also fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the 1 hour chart, On the RSI, we are trading at around the 36 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting that there are chances of seeing further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.